What's up, guys? It's been a while. I've been slacking and changing projects. So this is the WRX now. I've got a 04 blob eye, and if any of you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that when I drove this thing to Arizona, the coolant overflow tank busted on me, so I was leaking coolant. And I was fortunate enough to find one on Craigslist on a whim. I was able to just keep refilling the old one to get me back home to California, so that's what I did. But I'm going to replace it tonight with the replacement that I bought. Obviously the replacement will replace it. So I'm going to do that right now. It should be super simple. Looks like it's actually just this little tab here that you push over and then pull this out. It should just lifts right out. So no tools at all required. I thought this 10 here was gonna have to come out, but this is part of the fan shroud, so this doesn't come out at all. So a lot easier than I thought. Let me finish this up really quick since I've got it out. Let's see, so this just pops out. There we go. Yeah, you see how low my fluid is. It's at the bottom, and I've been topping it off, so now it looks like somebody did repair on this before. Well, I don't know if I'd call it repair with the amount that it's been leaking, but there we go. One problem fixed, almost. This guy should just work back in. There's one. I mean, there's only really one place for you to be able to put it, but you have to try to get that little nub right here into that hole down there. Alright, let me use two hands for this really quick. Slow fade into focus. Alright, so it took like 2 seconds after I got two hands on it. And just slide this side in under there and push this back in until this clicks back out. There we go. And that is it for the coolant overflow tank. Super quick video, probably less than like 2 minutes, less than 3 minutes, and most of it's probably wasted time. If you're still listening to me, awesome, thanks for watching. If not, cool, I hope it fixed your problem. Now I've got to fill up my coolant and see what's next on this car to fix. There's a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.